OnePlus has been making products for years now, and if there is one thing which has consistently remained common among those, it's that they are usually priced much less than the competitors while offering nearly the same features. At the OnePlus 6 launch, the company also entered the wireless earphones market with the OnePlus Bullet Wireless.
And surprise, they are much more affordable than the competition. We finally have them in India, so let's see if they are worth the price and hopefully give away 3 of these to 3 lucky subscribers. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, this is Raju and this is Shubham from TechPP, and today we will be reviewing the OnePlus Bullet Wireless.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified as soon as we post a new video. So let's start with the unboxing.
We usually run through the unboxing because it's usual stuff, right? But this time around, let's actually take some time out to appreciate what OnePlus has done with the Bullet Wireless. If you can see, it looks like any other smartphone box, might be slightly smaller in comparison, but OnePlus has gone ahead and done a little embossing on the thing so that you can get a feel of how the Bullet Wireless would be. So let's go and open this package. So once you open the box, you would see these two things. Again, it is embossed, very neatly done, and here is the actual OnePlus Bullet Wireless, neatly peeking out from behind. So let's take a look at that itself.
This is the hard part actually.
Yeah, it's not that easy to take it out.
It's really crammed in.
Okay, so they say free your music created together with our fans. It's a nice touch.
Free your music from some wires, not all of them.
So here you go. This is how it looks. They have neatly packed in the buds so that it simply peeks out here, and there are all the documentations are crammed inside here, which probably most of us won't even bother to check. So let's just put this back and take a look at the other part. So here we have the case itself, which
is not that great.
Because we'll talk about that a little later. And we have the charging cable. So the good thing is that you don't need to use the dash charger. It can charge with any wall charger and still be fast charging. And so the case looks great. It's red and has a magnetic clamp over here, which is neatly done. But not the best design. Once you start using it, we'll tell that a little while later. And the last part.
So it's a good thing you get a case. I mean, most of the earphones at this price, you won't get any case.
That's right. So the last part is the different earbuds, the sizes. That it depends on whatever you want to use it for. So that's about the box. Let's start with the review.
The OnePlus Bullet Wireless aren't true wireless headsets like the AirPod. Instead, OnePlus has decided to go with the neckbud design, which wraps around your neck like a necklace.
As far as the looks are concerned, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless don't have any special appearance. Apart from the red accents on the earbuds, the entire thing is black, which is sort of disappointing considering OnePlus is known for its unique color options. Hopefully, OnePlus will add more color variants in the coming months.
I'm especially rooting for a red OnePlus Bullet Wireless.
There is also a lot going on the wire itself. There are 2 large modules which house components like the battery and one small 3-button remote. Because of that, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless can feel like a little cumbersome to put on. Those modules can make it difficult to stuff the earphones in the bundled silicone case unless you fold the earphones exactly how OnePlus wants you to.
But all those issues disappear as soon as you put the earphones on. For starters, they're surprisingly lightweight, and after a minute or two, you will even forget you have them on. The fitting mechanism is made up of 2 steps. One is the earbud itself, and another is the rubber winglet behind it. That second one might seem useless, but it actually plays a critical role here.
The winglet ensures the Bullet Wireless stay in your ear as long as you want them to. Their presence especially becomes more important when you are exercising.
In my testing, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless didn't fall out of my ears even a single time, whether I was running or grooving to the sounds. Due to that 2-step process though, it does take a few seconds to actually wear the OnePlus Bullet Wireless, since you have to adjust 2 components here. However, you should know that you can easily remove the winglet and use them without it.
Speaking of exercising, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless are also sweat and rain resistant, which is a nice touch at this price range. The earbuds themselves have a magnetic end which enables one of their highlighting features. Whenever you clip both the earbuds together, the music automatically pauses. And once you pull them out, it will start back again.
Of course, all of that won't matter if the OnePlus Bullet Wireless don't sound good. Well, I'm happy to report that they do sound good, and honestly, I was a little surprised once one managed to achieve this quality at this price. My favorite bit of the Bullet Wireless audio is that there's a lot of depth which allows you to clearly make out all the instruments and voices. The soundstage itself is also very wide, so you get those nice acoustics and surround sound. They can also get really loud if you want them to while not messing up the quality itself.
The bass could have been better, but it's certainly not a deal breaker. The noise cancellation is not bad either. Although don't expect it to block everything in scenarios like traffic. The range is impressive too. You can be in another room and still maintain the connection without any distortions. There is also a mic which works fine for calls.
One complaint I have with the Bullet Wireless is that you cannot connect multiple devices simultaneously, which I often do with my computer and phone.
The battery life on OnePlus Bullet Wireless is just average as far as neckbuds are concerned. We were only able to get around 5 hours on a single charge. Fortunately, there is quick charging, which tops them up completely in just over half an hour. And yeah, you don't need to run behind the dash wall charger for it to work.
Using the OnePlus Bullet Wireless has been a pleasant experience for me. They have great sound, a water-resistant exterior, quick charging and more. I personally don't have any complaints apart from the average battery life. At Rs 4000, I feel they are the best wireless earphones if you can live with that shortcoming.
Forget Rs 4000, 3 of you lucky ones can get a OnePlus Bullet Wireless for free. All you need to do is stay subscribed to our channel, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and leave a comment below saying what exactly you think about the Bullet Wireless.
And yeah, like and share the video for good karma.
That's it for this video guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Until the next time, may the tech be with you.